Aloha everyone, it's Emee. Before anything else, thank you guys so much for clicking this video and welcome to the new subscribers. And if you're my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm going to do some unboxing some Jordan lows. So before anything else, let's get started. I have 4 shoes total. Well, this is the one that I got from StockX. So as you guys can see, there's like stickers and authentication. And wow, there's also a keychain. And wow, oh, this is pretty color. I think this is the and wow, blue. There's also like a this one like StockX authentication verification. I think that's it. Yeah, so oh yeah, this is the wait, and wow, this is the laser blue. This is the laser. Sorry, it's not on the, it's different name on the box, but yeah, this is the laser blue Jordan. Wow, this is nice color. The toe is like light blue, so you can see, and just black and blue insoles. Yeah, and there's like a suede on this one right here. So let's put on the second one. And wow, oops, yeah. Oh, so this one there's also like a StockX authentication, the stickers, and there's also a keychain. So yeah, this is the, so you can see there's also the verification on this one. Oh yeah, this is the sapphire green. Sapphire green. Oh, this is a cute color. And wow, it's like blue. I don't know what kind of green is this. Sapphire green. No, it's just like a lime green, or no, it's not a lime green, it's like blue green. The toe on this, wow, they're pretty. Oh, I can't wait to wear this. Okay, let's move on to the third one. And wow, oh wow, this is the gold toe lows. Yeah, it's metallic gold lows. It's the same one. It's all the same. It's just that this has like gold on it. And wow, they look nice. Yeah, they call this gold toe. Wow, they're pretty. As you guys can see on the Hawaii Style Jordan, I have this same one. No, it's not the same. It's a silver toe, but that one is a high, Jordan high, OG. So my last one is, and wow.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Wow, So my last one is, ta-da! It's the Pine Green Low. Wow, they're pretty. I have the high Jordan on this one, but it's like black and green. This is like white and green. Wow. The green is so pretty, isn't she? Wow. So that's all for today. It's my last one. This is my last one. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you guys wanted to see on my channel. And I'll see you guys soon. Mahalos.